First and foremost, I have to say big up your artist, Masicka, same way. You don't know. Masicka a big giant in a dancehall, people. You see me? Can't take that from Masicka, you see me? But right now, I not hide and tell you, me myself, they are wait for the clash in a Masicka. You see me? So if you ever hear this, me J, yeah man, no disrespect to no man, to no one. You see me? And me no love man, and music me listen to. You see me I say? So, we the fans them out here would have liked to see a clash in a dancehall again. Just like we in the days. You see me? We have Ninja Man and take on a bag of artists. You see me? Bounty Killer, same way, and Merciless, Beanie Man, Cape Ridge. All of them man they go through the clashing thing, you see me? So I don't tell them Masicka. The fans them.
Yeah, fans them a wait, man. I mean, know you are wait too, you know. Long time, you know. One genocide. Yeah, man, I know you are wait pan this long time, but you are wait pan the next artist to answer and say, yeah, book the date. You see me? Remember, you know. Enough man say Masicka really not diss no man or he not kill no man lyrically. Lie them a tell me, you know. Yeah man, for real, me don't know which Masicka them a listen to because in Masicka song we say Under Accord and the Masicka song we say Run Which Uptown are two artists that straight the artist this wicked and are two giant then the demand this wicked. So when time some YouTuber say Masicka no really clash the man we worth it, I lie them a tell. Cause you can't tell me say Donia and Diablo no really worth it. Not because I don't answer Masicka. Diablo answer him whole heap of time. And Masicka write him off. The whole Jamaica know that Under Accord. Come on, man. I don't even want to get a YouTuber then a hype. I don't even want to call his name. I tell you. If you don't rate the artist, just say you don't rate the artist, brother. But if you give a man them flower, where them deserve to get them flower, brother.
So Jamaican people can come out and enjoy the days of Sting again.
You see me I say?
You see me?
Yeah,
people
man.
them come out to see them artists. You don't know about this go already. You see me? Once Vendetta the past stage. You don't know. All of him fans and our did go crazy same way. You see me? Cause remember Alkaline I know look swimmers in our business, you know. Although Alkaline they are Jamaica, Alkaline still in our prime. You see me? Alkaline is still a dangerous artist. You see me? Full of lyrical content. You see me? And he never give up same way. Cause remember, whole Jamaica don't see it to Alkaline himself, you know. Throw songs at Vybz Kartel same way. And you don't know Vybz Kartel throw back few songs at him. You see me? But you don't know that they clash there gone already. You see me? And we don't know who was the champion of that clash. You see me? But right now, Jamaica now wait for the two hot artists there right now. You see me? Go up and Sting, join the crowd, bring back up dancehall and stage show to where it was. You see me I say? Big man thing because right now people want to see artists.
Fans them want to see you Alkaline. Tell me I tell you, bro, your fans them want to see you live on the stage, brother. Take on a big artist just like yourself. You see me? Cause remember it on a giant again. You see me? It on have lyrical content. You see me I say? You can't contain it on tough, brother. So people them a wait for your fans them a wait Mr. Alkaline and tell me I tell you charge. All your fans them want see you on the stage and do the right thing. You see me? Yes, man. Show them say you're not afraid, Alka. You see me? But I don't know. We understand if a stage show can't go on. You see me? Because you don't know two artists them have them life to live same way and them have them own thing to deal with. You get me I say? But me know Alkaline fans them want to see him. Swear to God, me know that. You see me? I'm not joke. And why me say Alkaline fans them want to see him? I in a 1 month Alkaline drop one song where them not even remember the name of the song, but him say boss for every boss, done for every done. Which when the song they drop Alkaline, if you hear this video, yeah, all of your fans them go crazy. No joke, bro, for real. For all of that month, when boss for every boss, Dan for every Dan job, every party you go, every club you go in, I tell you, they have to play the song there. You see me? I say, I want the people them tell me who them think would have win a clash. You see me? Just write it in the comment, brother. If this clash should have ever happen, who you think would have win the clash? Alkaline or Masicka people? Left it in the comment and make me know what you say. You see me? Because when I see phone no pick, I'm going to make my pick. You see me? Yeah, man. Come here, bring one of the artists them too, you know. Yes, man. So you think of fear is fear, you know? So with that being said, just leave a comment and let me know what you think about the artist. You see me? Who now bring Masicka or who now bring Alkaline? Because I want to see the stage show there. And let them for get the thing sorted out the right way. And try to organize a thing like that. Just to bring back stage show in a dancehall and clashing. You get me? I say because it think kind of sleep for true, you know. But I really know it because them nowadays artists, yeah, them a play with the thing too much. You see me I say? So that's why our fans like me will listen music, dancehall music exactly. Of course, we don't want to see a clash right now between Vendetta and one genocide. Right now, I know the fans them are wait upon this, them can't wait to see this. And even if it don't happen right now, later on in the future to become, the people them want to see this clash. Because remember, no, man, them two people that used to go back and forth at show songs after songs at each other. You get me I say? And now the two man them are giant in the foundation of music, dancehall, you see me? And a clashing time bring them up. You see me? Them bust out in the dancehall when I be a clash in a go on, you see me? Yeah, so right now, now lie and tell you, I love to see clash the same way. And for all of my subscribers them when I watch your channel and I enjoy my content and enjoy whatever I try to create for you. You see me? Make you have an understanding and communication. You see me? Just left on your thoughts in the comment section and make me know who you think would have win this musical clash if you come down to your test on stage. Masicka or Alkaline. And thanks to everyone for watching and subscribing.